Today we're discussing one of the most popular personal finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this book, Kiyosaki shares the lessons he learned from his two fathers, his biological father, who was poor, and his friend's father, who was wealthy, about money and investing. In this video, we'll be summarizing the key lessons from the book and showing you how you can apply them in your own life. Lesson 1. Change your mindset about money. The first and perhaps most important lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of changing your mindset about money. The book teaches that most people have a poor dad mentality when it comes to money, where they believe that they need to work hard and save their money in order to be financially secure. But the book argues that this is the wrong approach and that you need to have a rich dad mentality, where you view money as a tool to make more money, not just something to save. Lesson 2. Build assets, not liabilities. The second lesson from the book is the importance of building assets, not liabilities. The book teaches that assets are things that make you money, such as rental properties or investments, while liabilities are things that cost you money, such as cars or homes. The book argues that you need to focus on building assets if you want to be financially successful and avoid taking on liabilities that will drain your wealth. Lesson 3. Invest in yourself. The third lesson from the book is the importance of investing in yourself. The book teaches that you need to continuously learn and grow in order to be successful in life and in business. This means taking courses, reading books, and seeking out mentors who can help you grow and improve. Lesson 4. Learn about money and investing. The book teaches that most people are not taught about money and investing in school, and as a result they don't understand how to make their money work for them. The book argues that you need to take the time to educate yourself about money and investing if you want to be financially successful. Lesson 5. Take action. The fifth and final lesson from the book is the importance of that taking action part. The book teaches that knowledge is important, but it's not enough. You need to take action and put your knowledge into practice if you want to be successful. This means taking risks and making investments, even if you're not secure what the outcome will be. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to improve your financial situation, these lessons are a great place to start, so be sure to put them into practice and you'll be on your way to financial success and prosperity in no time.